Welcome to our comparison video where we dive into the features and reviews of two compact treadmills, the Goplus 2-in-1 folding electric treadmill and the Home Fitness Code walking pad treadmill. Our comparison is based on online reviews and feature analysis to help you make the best choice for your fitness needs. When it comes to price and value, the Goplus 2-in-1 folding electric treadmill, priced at $299, offers a range of features, including a Bluetooth speaker, phone holder, remote control, and app control, making it a versatile choice for tech-savvy users. On the other hand, the Home Fitness Code walking pad treadmill, available at $179, provides a more budget-friendly option without the additional features, but excels in its compact and ultra-quiet design, making it ideal for users in shared living spaces or those preferring a minimalistic approach. In terms of features, the Goplus treadmill shines with its multifunctionality and social media connectivity options, appealing to users who enjoy technology integration in their workout. Reviews highlight its suitability for walking and light jogging, with suggestions for regular maintenance to ensure longevity. The Home Fitness Code treadmill, praised for its compact design and quiet operation, is highlighted for its ease of use and suitability for walking, with some users creatively adapting it for light jogging. Its simplicity and user-friendliness make it a favorite among those seeking a straightforward walking solution. Usability and storage are crucial for users with limited space. The Goplus treadmill is appreciated for its easy setup and foldability, making it a convenient option for those needing to save space. However, reviews mention a short power cord and noise when adjusting speeds. The Home Fitness Code treadmill excels in its ultra-slim design and portability, with reviews praising its ability to fit under furniture and desks, enhancing its appeal for users in small apartments or those desiring a treadmill that blends seamlessly into their living space. Overall, the Goplus 2-in-1 folding electric treadmill receives mixed reviews, with users appreciating its features and versatility but noting potential durability concerns. The Home Fitness Code walking pad treadmill garners positive feedback for its compact design, quiet operation, and ease of use, making it a popular choice among users with space constraints or those seeking a simple walking solution. Thank you for watching our comparison of the Goplus 2-in-1 folding electric treadmill and the Home Fitness Code walking pad treadmill. We hope this video helps you decide which treadmill suits your lifestyle and fitness goals better. Don't forget to like, subscribe, and leave a comment about which product you prefer and why. Check out the product links in the description for more information. See you in the next video.